You are going to get locked up. You don't know anything about me. You don't know anything about me. People don't have to put up with being cursed at when they're trying to represent you. People don't. And I think you just cursed at me because I'm good at reading.
No, I did not. You're just trying to start something. I did not just curse at you.
You said I'm trying to start something, girl. Who you talking to?
Look at you. You're being rude right now. I'm not even being rude to you. You've been rude all morning. I haven't even been rude to you.
I mean, that is so hilariously funny. I can't even put that to words. Miss Urell is like literally in the bed. I've not even addressed the fact that she's in the bed.
You ain't asked me not one question. You ain't asked me nothing. You ain't asked me nothing.
First of all, lower your voice.
This girl named Brat just learned a big lesson. You can't be rude to a judge, even on Zoom. Some judges let a little attitude slide, but Judge Bryant doesn't. The moment Brat rolled her eyes and talked back, the judge stopped her right away. Brat thought she could curse, disrespect her lawyer, and still get away with it. But Judge Bryant wasn't having it. She gave her a big reality check. Some people think the judge was too mean, but what do you think? Let's watch what happened.
On Urell, and then Miss Urell, I believe I gave you instructions about remaining stationary, but I may not have. So I need you to be stationary. I need you to be seated and look around on your camera. You're standing at the podium right now. We're standing at the podium. Yeah, I'm frustrated too. Can you put your head up, take your hands off your eyes, and let's pretend that we're in court. If we can't pretend that we're in court physically, then we shall be in court physically. So we either have to pretend that we're there and act as if we're there, or we shall be there. We shall actually be there in person, standing at that podium. This is case number 224557001. The people of the state of Michigan versus Sierra Renee Urell. The defendant is charged with 1 count of assault or assault and battery. Today is the date set for final pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
For the record, Your Honor, Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Sierra Urell.
Ms. Urell, please unmute and state your name.
Sierra Urell.
What's your middle name, please?
Renee.
Do we need an adjournment, counsel? Or I don't know, it seems like your client is quite frustrated for some reason unknown to me. We just called the case, like we literally only called the case.
Sierra Renee Urell.
I was talking to counsel. Counsel, yes, did we need adjournment? Did you need to talk to your client? I'm not real sure. How are you proceeding today? Because I'm not going to proceed like with hostility. That's how stuff go left, and then stuff goes left. Sometimes it's just better to be in person because then people, I don't know, they act a little better. Maybe they act a little less hostile. I don't know, counsel, but how are we proceeding today? Because
is it possible for me to have a breakout room with Miss Urell? If not, then we would ask for an adjournment for an in-person hearing.
You can have a breakout with her. Did you know? You can have a breakout with your client for sure. And then that'll also give Mr. Haddad an opportunity now to talk to the prosecutor because he wanted to talk to the prosecutor. Did you know how you were proceeding with respect to your client, or you?
I lost contact.
Let me just let you talk to her. Okay, that sounds good. I'll let you talk to her. Oh, I think my clerk had told me that somebody wanted to do that with their client. All right, I'm going to see you.
Okay. This is why I like Judge Bryant. She could have ignored the bad attitude, but she didn't. She told Brat to calm down or come to court in person. More judges should do that. Too many just let people act like Zoom court is a joke. Brat thought she could act rude and still win, but wait until you see what happens next. When she goes into the breakout room, things go crazy. She went in acting all confident, but when she came back, it got wild.
Ready on Urell. This is case number 224557001. The people of the state of Michigan versus Sierra Renee Urell. Oh, this is a recall because I called it before. Okay. Counsel, you've had an opportunity to speak with your client. How do you wish to proceed?
Yes, Judge. At this time, would you entertain a motion to withdraw?
I guess so.
Judge, there has been a
Go ahead.
May I proceed? Thank you. There has been a breakdown in the attorney-client relationship. We have fundamental differences regarding our understanding of the facts in this case, as well as the application of the law to the facts. Based on that, I would motion to withdraw at this time, again, as there has been a breakdown in the attorney-client relationship.
And Ms. Urell, do you agree with that assessment by your counsel?
I guess.
Okay, I guess. And then counsel, you were retained, correct?
No, Judge, I am appointed on this matter.
Oh, okay. You're appointed.
Yes, Judge.
So does that mean that, oh, let me get Ms. Stevenson. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Ms. Ritter, can you join me and Ms. Stevenson in breakout room number 1? And then counsel, I may need you also, but give me a moment. Ms. Ritter,
yes, Judge.
Me and Ms. Stevenson in breakout room number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
So I had an opportunity. I was trying to figure out, after you said you were appointed counsel, I was trying to figure out why you would have been appointed, because we have, defender's office. And so that's why I went in to speak with Ms. Stevenson. And then she brought it back to my remembrance. So I'm getting ready to say this to Ms. Urell. You're going to find yourself in a situation where you're going to be representing yourself, because Mr. Pernicano is the second lawyer that I've had appointed to you. Miss Urell, I need you to look at me, because you're looking up in the ceiling. So this Mr. Pernicano is the second lawyer that I've had appointed to you. And the only way that we do apple picking when it comes to picking lawyers is when we hire our own lawyers. So when you hire your own lawyer, then you get to decide what lawyer you want. You get your lawyer of your choosing. And then I was reminded that your mouth was foul when it came to your lawyer. And people don't have to put up with people being disrespectful and rude and whatever. Again, you're looking up in the ceiling. And I'm trying to be patient this morning. People don't have to put up with being cursed at when they're trying to represent you. People don't. And I think you just cursed at me because I'm good at reading.
No, I did not. You're just trying to start something. I did not just curse at you.
You said I'm trying to start something, girl. Who you talking to?
Look at you. You're being rude right now. I'm not even being rude to you. You've been rude all morning. I haven't even been rude to you.
My level best. I've tried my level best. And then she just had the nerve to say I've been rude all morning. She just said I've been rude all morning. I mean, that is so hilariously funny. I can't even put that to words. So what I'm going
Can you believe this? First, she yells at her lawyer, the only person trying to help her stay out of jail. Then she curses at the judge, the one person she should respect the most. This is what happens when someone grows up without rules and yelling at your own lawyer. That's like throwing away your life jacket while you're drowning. This girl really doesn't get it, so let's keep watching to see how this mess gets worse.